Hi, it's Evelyn. Welcome to another weekend vlog. It is Friday. It is actually Friday afternoon. I have been up early this morning. I had hair to do. Mrs. Arnell, it was her 2-week appointment. Mrs. Arnell hair is coming along well. I did a video several months ago showing you Mrs. Arnell's hair. So now it is time for me to get my day started. It is late in the afternoon, about 2-3 o'clock, and I need to go to Lowe's. I need to go to Kroger's. I need to go to Kroger's to get something for dinner today, and I need to go to Lowe's because I want to buy some mums. I didn't do any gardening this summer, so I want to put down some mums in one of my garden beds, so I'm going to do that. And speaking of plants, I received a plant from one of my coworkers. Okay, here is the cutting that my coworker, Miss Pat, gave to me yesterday at work. She brought me a cutting, and the name of this plant, the short name for this plant, is called a dumb cane. So I put it in this blue jar that I have. I have lots of jars, so I put the cutting in this jar here, and I'm hoping that it will root in the next couple of weeks or month or so. So I love how the foliage look. I mean, it is absolutely stunning to me. But what I realized is that when she gave me this plant, I realized that I think I knew I had one similar to this plant, and I do. And here is my plant, and it is in the same family. I am so sorry about that noise. I have my front door open. But here is my plant. And the foliage is different. But it is a beautiful plant, and the leaves are humongous. Super humongous. And I love this plant. It is doing so well. So now I have another edition of the same plant, but the foliage is quite different. So now I am off to Lowe's to buy some mums. Wow, look at this mum here. It's beautiful. I just left Kroger's, and Kroger's wanted the same size large basket of mums for $24. And Lowe's have it right now, this beautiful basket, regular $16.99, but they have it on sale for $8.48. Nice basket too. I like the little owl decor. I think I'm going to purchase this one. I want it yellow, but I want it more, so I may separate this one. So yeah, I'm going to put this one in my basket.
Memories are chasing you away from
getting ready for Christmas.
I don't know where we went wrong. You knew the answers all along. It's up to me to say to you, it's a waste of time, the things you do. Those nights I'm letting you go.
I need some insecticidal soap. I noticed a few cuts on my flowers. So, I get this in here. Okay, what I don't know if this is for house plants. It says insecticidal soap, insect killer. Let's see if I can get some help. So I did purchase a plant, and this is a cactus, and I couldn't leave her behind. She got a little baby with her, so I had to buy it. And my husband won't recognize it. It's really small, so hopefully he won't recognize it. So I did purchase the insecticidal soap, and on the back of it, it does say for indoors and outdoor plants as well. And I noticed that on my bird nest plant here, there are little bugs flying around, and I don't want them getting on my other plants. So I am just going to spray all of my plants down very well, and yeah, and try to get control of the pests. The flying pests on my plants. So, yeah. So, here is one of my garden beds. I am going to clean and separate this mom that I purchased from Lowe's, and I am going to separate it and put it out in my garden bed. However, I am going to end this vlog right here simply because it is well after 4 o'clock and it's getting cloudy outside, and I will pick this up in my next video vlog. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye-bye.
Memories are chasing